Hey there YouTube, this is Karenna Wolfsong, and today I'm going to show you how to make a logo in After Effects. As always, please remember to hit the subscribe button below. First, open After Effects, then select New Composition, name it, and then select your preset. I'm going to work with 1920 by 1080 with a frame rate of 29.97 and a 5-second duration. Next, go ahead and select your background color. Now, click on your text tool at the top of your screen. Under the Character tab on the right, choose your font, size, and color. You can also adjust the text scale size by clicking on your layer and typing the letter S as in Sam, and then adjust your scale size accordingly. Make sure your text is centered horizontally and vertically. You can do this by opening the Align tab on the right side of your screen. Center your anchor by holding down Control and double-clicking your mouse on the Pan Behind Anchor Point tool. Next, right-click on your lower left screen and open a new text layer. Under the Character tab, change the color, font, and size to your liking. Make sure to set the leading to Auto. With your new layer and selection tool selected, draw a box covering the entire screen. Type in your text and then copy and paste the text inside the box you just created. Make sure to align and anchor to the center just like you did before. Scroll down to your bottom layer and select the Alpha Inverted option under Track Matte. And that's it! You've now created a logo in After Effects. Please make sure to check out these other videos on how to animate your logo, and thanks much for watching.